It's rhubarb season, so we are making a skillet rhubarb cobbler. I apologize for the noise in the background. It's my oven preheating. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. 4 cups rhubarb, coarsely chopped. 3/4 cup brown sugar, you could use light or dark. 4 tablespoons butter, melted and cooled slightly. 2 eggs lightly beaten. 1/2 cup of milk. A teaspoon vanilla. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 cup granulated white sugar. And 1 tablespoon butter for greasing our skillet. This is a cast iron skillet that I'm using. It's an antique. It's a number 8 Griswold skillet. It has an 8-inch bottom. Grandpa's going to help me prepare this recipe.
First, we take the brown sugar and mix it into the rhubarb. Making sure the rhubarb is covered somewhat with the brown sugar. Now I'm going to set this aside while I prepare the other ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, I'm going to go mix the wet ingredients. Put the eggs in, put the butter in, put the milk in, put the vanilla extract in, give it a little stir. I'm mixing it with my King Arthur bread whisk. Next, we're going to be adding the dry ingredients. Baking powder, the sugar, give it a little bitty stir, and start adding the flour a little bit at a time. I'm stirring up the batter until it's smooth and thick. It's a very simple recipe. Now I'm adding the batter to the frying pan. I want to make sure it's evenly spread. Give the skillet a little wiggle. Spreads out evenly so it's level. We're all set. Now I'm going to top it with the rhubarb. I'm going to spread it out so it's nice and even. This looks really good. Now we got to put it in our 350-degree oven and bake it for 45 minutes. Make sure you have a oven mitt when you go to pull this skillet out, because that handle is hot. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna let it cool before we eat it. Some eggs this morning.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Very good. Very good indeed.